Hi guys, Larry here. Today I want to share to you how to study static stress, and you can get Hormesis value, displacement, and the others. Okay, so let's follow me. Okay guys, first you have to make it the object before we study the static stress. Okay, so let's start with with the file and use this one. Okay, hybrid design, create new. Okay, and just last one. So make it this object. Choose this one. Make it a circle. 250. Let's shoot down about 100. And then start a sketch on the bottom. Press L like that. Click the face and press L. Make it a line for the distance about 100. And let's make it the circle 30 and make it a pattern. Center point this one, make it a hole and finish it. So just extrude down all of them, make it 50, and then click the top of the face and press down. Make it another circle of 200. Finish it. Extrude down, extrude. So have it about 20. Okay, that's enough. And click this one. Create capabilities in the components. Okay, like that. Underground. Okay, and let's go to the simulation. Let's make it use or choose the static stress. Okay, like that. And first we have to make it or change the material. Okay, in this design, in this material is good. But I wanna use another material, so I choose Stell-Alloy, and you can check the properties also of the Stell-Alloy. This one, you can see it, and just okay. We already make it the materials. Okay, so let's go. Let's go to constraint the object. Okay, constraint right here, and also right here. Okay, we need a whole structural constraints, and I use a switch. Okay. That's the constraint, and okay. So I'm gonna make it large. I'm gonna make it the force about 100 newtons or 10 kilos. Okay. So I just okay. I choose this one for the force and okay. Okay. If you find the symbol, that means the studies don't have a mission. Okay, so you can just solve it. Okay, this one. Okay, we name it static simulation. Okay. Okay guys, we finished, so we can just see the result like that. Okay, let's see. How's the results? Okay guys, let's see the result. If you want strong for the object, you need set factors about a 5, and then the limit is a 4.8. So it is if you have a set factor about or below this value about 2, so they're gonna fail, okay? So let's see the others. Okay. Okay guys, we have our 4 pieces stress value. It shows 0.045 at the critical points, okay? That is the point pieces. So let's go to the displacement. Okay, they get displacement about this value. So this is about the 1 millimeter, they're gonna fail, okay? So easy guys to make it to learn, to study static stress, okay? This is a value, and let's see for uses today. Okay, and the factor unit, okay. Okay guys, very easy guys to know the static stress, okay? Maybe you can use your object, or you can just follow this example of the study of the static stress, okay?